How to fix your CIBC Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your CIBC Bank's login problem. Now this may be due to various different reasons, so in this video we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is you're entering the correct credentials, as even if you enter one letter or digit wrong on your credentials, you will not be able to log in, which may be the reason for your login problem. So simply make sure you're entering the correct credentials. Now if you're unsure about your credentials or have even the slightest of doubt, you can always reset them by tapping these options right over here: forgot client card or username or your password. And then once you enter your correct credentials, which you now know, you can simply try to log into your account. Now if your problem is still there, you can also try to see if your app needs an update, as sometimes if the app is not updated to the latest version, some of the features and fixes will not work, which may be the reason for your login problem. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection, as the CIBC Bank app requires a stable internet connection to work. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now the third thing you can do is basically close the CIBC app completely and relaunch the application. Now doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases, but if your problem is still there, you can always call this number and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.